Let me ask you something. If Microsoft walked into your office tomorrow and said, your prices are going up 20% next year, no discussion, would you just sign? Because that's exactly what's happening in 2025. EAs are being killed for smaller customers, discounts are shrinking, and the list prices through the roof. Teams Phone up 25%, Power BI up 40%. And if you pay monthly, congratulations. Microsoft just slapped a 5% premium on top. Are you ready for that hit to your budget? Or are you still trusting Microsoft's sales pitch that value means you should pay more for the same software? Here's the ugly truth. If you don't start EA renewal planning now, you're going to get steamrolled. Do you know what your walkaway option is? Have you mapped what happens if Microsoft refuses to renew your EA? Or are you going to find out the hard way when your renewal quote lands on your desk? This isn't a drill. You either get ahead of Microsoft's 2025 licensing game, or you pay for the privilege of falling behind. So, are you negotiating from power, or are you letting Microsoft name their price?